Now that the paintwork is done, we've added all the little parts back on. We've got the retractable hose mechanism on this side. We finished the nozzle. We just took that apart and sandblasted, wire brushed it, and clear coated it. Got the handle, got the pocket for the nozzle done. Contains lead signs. Got a nice reproduction hose for it, and that is with the retractor system, works great. And we've gone ahead and we've wired it internally. The goal there is to make it light up. So I've got lights for the ad glass, the globe, and these also light up the main display. And then down at the bottom, I've put a little box in and a controller, and that runs the meter. I've got a little drill motor that goes in there, and that'll connect to the meter and make the numbers go around. And then we wired that into a switch right up here into the handle. So when you squeeze this, it'll trigger that switch and make the numbers go around. So that part's done. Now we're ready for reassembly. So here's the final ad glass. We've got the sheet metal pieces done, painted, and the ad glass attached on the inside. So those are ready to go on the pump. So I got the meter in and the faceplates on. So now it's time to put the motor in, and we'll test that, make sure everything works. Got the motor installed, got it wired up, got the lights installed, got the on-off switch and the reset button installed. Add glasses installed. Bottom panels installed. Top panels installed. And finally the globe. So now we'll put it in position and turn it on, light it up. And there we go. She's all done. So been a fun project. It's working good. That one kind of will go nice with that one that I did previously. And I think I'm going to probably stop at 2. So nice new pump done. So thanks for watching the series, and we'll catch you next time.